Hello guys, welcome back to Joseph TV. For today's video, ang topic natin ay kung paano mag-request ng ATM ng GCash. Okay, so for your information lang guys, ang allowed or verified lang na users ng GCash yung pwedeng mag-request ng GCash ATM. So tuturuan ko kayo ng step by step kung paano gagawin. Okay, so let's begin. First step ay i-click natin yung GCash na application. So, enter mo yung PIN mo. So, pag makita mo na tong menu ng GCash, ma-open mo na, i-click mo yung cards. So, click mo yan cards. After this, click mo yung order card. So, i-deliver siya kung saan naka-address. So, reminder lang, ang ATM card ng GCash ay magagamit siya sa 200 countries international. So, pwede mo siyang gamitin shop online, ma-withdraw easily, at saka insured for your safety. So, click natin yung order card. I-click mo yung send me a card. Fill out form, you deliver to your doorstep. So, ito yon. Tapos, ito yung card confirmation. Ang mabayaran mo dito sa pag-request is 250 pesos. So, click mo lang yung next. Ito na yung nasa taas na portion. Ito yung pangalan ng GCash na card mo. So, makalagay dito. Ito yung itsura ng ng Visa card. Nakalagay Visa tapos yung name mo. Okay, click mo yung next. Tapos, delivery information. So, recipient's name. So, ilalagay mo yung details kung saan mo ipa-deliver. So, ito yung recipient ko. Type mo yung recipient's name, tapos mobile number ng recipient. Tapos yung delivery address. So hanapin mo yung province kung saan nakatira. Okay? So dito North Cotabato. Ito. Click mo 'yan. Tapos municipality. Kung saang municipality. Tapos barangay. After this, house number and lot. So, optional lang ito sila guys. Okay, next mo lang. After this, review your information. So, i-review mo card information, name ng card, tama ba? Delivery information, tama ba yung pangalan na papadalhan mo? Tapos, card free breakdown. So, meron siyang GCash card 185, card protect. Pwede mo rin yung i-check if in case gusto mo ng card protection. Delivery fee is 65. So, total is 250. So, i-click mo yung I understand pag agree ka or naintindihan mo yung mga information ng GCash. So, click mo yung confirm. Yan. So, confirm your payment na. So, nakalagay dito GCash card, pay with. Pwede mo GCash, pay now. So, total is 250. So, click mo yung pay 250. Yan, order successfully. So, your card will be delivered soon. Please see the expected delivery times below. So, sa National Capital Region is 4 to 6 business days. Sa Luzon is 6 to 8 business days. Sa Visayas at saka Mindanao is 8 to 10 business days. Okay? So, click mo yung okay. So, ayun lang guys. Napaka-simple at saka easy yung pag-request ng ATM ng GCash. So, expected delivery days lang ay from 8 to 10 days kasi nasa Mindanao area tayo. So, I hope na nakagain kayo ng knowledge kung paano mag-request ng ATM sa GCash. So, see you on my next vlog. Bye!